Hey, what's going on? Alphonso here with Money Smart Basics, where we break down finances in a simple way so you can build real wealth. Let me ask you something. Are you really prepared for retirement, or are you just going through the motions? Today, I want to show you how to take control of your future, starting right now. This is going to blow your mind. Your dream retirement is a lot closer than you think. Hey, let me talk to you for a minute. Are you really preparing for retirement? Or are you just hoping everything works out? Because a lot of people are just hoping. They're working hard, paying bills, handling life, but they're not actually building anything for the future. And here's the truth. Retirement doesn't just happen. It's not something that shows up one day like a surprise package. Retirement is something you build, decision by decision, dollar by dollar, year by year. Now, when most people hear the word retirement, they think about relaxing, traveling, enjoying life, spending time with family. And that's beautiful. But let me ask you something. Are you financially prepared to live that life? Because if you're not, that dream can turn into stress real fast. This isn't just about money. This is about freedom. This is about peace of mind. This is about waking up in the morning and saying, I can do what I want today, not I have to go to work. And the key to all of this is time. Time is your greatest asset, not money, time. Because time gives your money the ability to grow. Let me give you a simple picture. Think about planting a tree. If you plant it early, it grows strong, it grows tall, it gives shade. But if you wait too long, you don't get the same benefit. That's exactly how your money works. The earlier you start, the more powerful your results. And this is where compound interest comes in. This is the game changer. Your money earns interest, then that interest earns interest, and over time, it starts to snowball. That's how small amounts turn into big results. But here's the problem. Most people wait. They say, I'll start next year. I'll start when I make more money. I'll start when things settle down. But life never really settles down, and every day you wait is a missed opportunity for your money to grow. Now let me speak to somebody directly, because I know somebody is thinking this right now. It's too late for me. No, it's not. The best time to start was years ago, but the second best time is today. You can't go back, but you can move forward. And that's what this is about. Taking control starting right now. Now let's break this down, because I don't want this to feel overwhelming. Retirement planning is not complicated, but it does require discipline. First thing, you've got to know where your money is going. That means creating a budget. Now I know, nobody likes the word budget. It sounds restrictive, but a budget is not about restriction, it's about control. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will disappear on you. So start by tracking your spending, just for 1 month. Look at where your money is actually going. You might be surprised. Once you see it, now you can make adjustments. You can start redirecting money toward your future instead of just your present. Next step, build an emergency fund. This is your safety net, because life happens. Cars break down, medical bills show up, unexpected things come out of nowhere. And if you don't have an emergency fund, what happens? You go into debt, or you dip into your retirement savings, and that sets you back. So aim for at least 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. That gives you breathing room. That gives you peace of mind. Now let's talk about something I don't want you to miss. If your job offers a retirement plan with a match, take advantage of it. That is free money. And I say it all the time, don't leave free money on the table. If they match 3%, 4%, 5%, you need to be in that plan. That's an instant return on your money. Now, once you start saving, the next level is investing. Because saving alone is not enough. You've got to grow your money. And investing is simply putting your money in a position to grow over time. You've got stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and for many people, real estate. The key is diversification. Don't put everything in one place. Spread it out so you reduce risk and increase opportunity. And let me say this, if you don't understand everything, that's okay. You don't have to be an expert, but you do need to be intentional. And if needed, get guidance. There's nothing wrong with having someone help you navigate this. Think of it like this. You are building something. Every dollar you save is a brick. Every investment you make is another brick, and over time, you are building a financial fortress, something that protects you, something that provides for you, something that gives you freedom. Now, let's take this a step further, because retirement is not just about money, it's about your life. After working for 30, 40 years, what are you going to do? How are you going to spend your time? Are you going to travel, start a business, spend more time with family, give back? You've got to think about that now, not later, because retirement without purpose can feel empty. Now, let's talk about something real, health. Because you can have all the money in the world, but if your health is not right, it changes everything. Healthcare costs are one of the biggest threats to retirement, so you've got a plan for that. Understand your options, understand Medicare, consider supplemental coverage, and also take care of your body now, because your health is part of your wealth. Now, let me clear something up. Social Security is not a retirement plan. It's a supplement. It's there to support you, but it's not designed to fully take care of you. So you need other income streams, savings, investments, maybe real estate, maybe even something that generates passive income. And for some of you, there's another strategy to think about: downsizing. If you've got a large home, high expenses, a lot of maintenance, it might make sense to simplify. Lower your expenses, free up cash, reduce stress. Sometimes less is actually more. Now, let me bring this all together. Your financial future is not set in stone. You have control. You have the ability to change your situation. But it starts with action. Not next year, not someday, today. Now, if you made it this far, you're already ahead of most people. Here's your bonus tip. Don't underestimate your retirement expenses. A lot of people think their expenses will go down, but in many cases, they don't. You've got healthcare, travel, home maintenance, things you didn't fully plan for. So build in a cushion, because a little preparation now can save you a lot of stress later. If this helped you, go ahead and like, subscribe, and drop a comment. And if there's something specific you want me to cover, let me know. I'm here to help you build wealth the right way. Also, check the description below for tools and income opportunities to help you on your journey. You've got this. The information provided in this content is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial, legal, or tax advice. Always consult with a qualified financial advisor, tax professional, or legal counsel before making any financial decisions. The creator of this content is not responsible for any actions taken based on the information provided. Investments and financial decisions carry risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results.